Hey guys, I am in the city again. It's actually nighttime now. I've been here all afternoon, and don't worry, I took video of what I did today. I went to the Hello Kitty Museum. It was so cute. Well, it's an art gallery, but I'll just call it a museum. But I had to voice over everything that you're about to see because they were playing just really loud copyrighted music everywhere I went, or they were just talking really loud. So I wanted you to be able to hear me, so I'm gonna do a voiceover. But after that, we'll get back to my night because I'm headed to Brooklyn. We're going to a subdued event. It's like a Valentine's Day cookie decorating thing, so I'm so excited to see everyone. It's gonna be so cute because subdued always has the cutest events. So I'm gonna head to the train and I'll see you guys in a little bit. This was a cute little Hello Kitty gallery I went to. It was kind of near Penn Station at some random gallery I've never heard of, but once I found it, I was like, oh my god, this is all so cute. I was so obsessed. No one was there either because it was a weekday, and I really like that little sticker sheet looking painting situation. So obsessed. But then I had to get a little snack before I headed to Brooklyn, so I just stopped at Penn Station quickly. I love this little food hall at Moynihan. Like, I don't know why, it's just the vibes are always good. They're showing the Olympics. There's like a fun bar in there, so it's just like good music all the time. I had my sandwich and my pink drink, obviously. Oh, also, just want to let you know the Hello Kitty gallery is actually closed. I went on one of the last days that it was open, so unfortunately, you can't go to it anymore. I made it! I'm in Brooklyn now. I'm trying not to get lost right now because I'm never over here, so I don't really know the streets, but I think I'm like 2 or 3 blocks away. It's at Bond Studios, which looked so cute. I looked at their Instagram. It's just like a little cute event space, so I'm so excited. Okay, hopefully I make it there in time. I think I will. I think I'm fine. Okay, never mind. I guess I wasn't going the right way. Good thing I looked at my phone. I was going the complete opposite way. So, we turn around. I think I'll still make it on time. Brooklyn is so cute though. I love it. I should come here more. It's just like way cuter and way more quiet than the city. Yay, I see the building. I'm so happy I made it just on time.
Hi, how are you? Hi, girls.
Hey, Queen. How are you? Thank you. Oh my gosh.
I know. We've got 100%.
Guys, this food looks so tea. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I'm so obsessed. Look at all the florals and the fruit. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It's all pink.
Okay, so Ellie's running late, is she? And Sissy as well. So
Decorating cookies for subdued.
yeah.
I would say probably.
This is Tete de Moines cheese. It's really nice. It's just like cut really finely, and that's why it looks like a flower.
Oh my god.
Sorry, Chris. I'm like,
Okay, little voiceover break. I was so focused on decorating my cookies. I like barely talked to the camera during this. I was just filming myself decorating and chatting with the girls. But this was my first cookie. Not very good. But we took some photo breaks and then we decorated some more cookies. I ate this one up. Like, period. It's so good. Ones were my good ones, and these were my first ones that are really bad. So we'll ignore those. These are like, this one's my favorite. It's so cute.
Sure. My ugly cookie.
And she's cute.
Hers are cuter.
Oh my god.
Where are those cookies?
Vibes. Brooklyn vibes only. My little snow muffin. I just got back into the city from the event. It was so tea and I met so many girlies. I had so much fun, but I have a little extra time before my train, so now I can go and walk into all my favorite stores in K-Town, period. I'm so happy. I'm gonna go to Tesso, H Mart, and then I have to stop at Target really quick. So let's do all that. They didn't have anything I wanted, so we're going to H Mart. Need ramen, rice cakes, and like a sweet treat. Oh, if I want this one or that one right there. Actually, I think we're gonna do this one. Oh, they have so many flavors. Oh my god, they have matcha. I'm shaking. I love this brand more than Pocky. I've never seen this. Oh my god, I'm definitely getting this one. They actually have the really big box of my favorite, so I'm gonna get that instead of the cookies and cream. Oh my god, these are so cute. We're just at the Hello Kitty art galleries today. I found the rice cakes. I think I'm gonna get this one right here. I have no hands. That was a success, so now we're gonna go to Target. I meant to get banana milk though, because I wanted to make a banana milk matcha, but I forgot. But I'm gonna be in Flushing next week, Friday, sometime soon. So I'll just get it at one of the stores there. So it's okay, and I have enough bags to carry tonight anyways, so. Made it to Target, and then we're gonna go to Penn Station to go home. And it's so exciting because my boyfriend just got out of work, so I don't have to ride the train by myself. Guys, this little teddy bear is so cute. Oh my god. I don't need another stuffy though, I have too many. And I think I want the Wildberry Poppy. We're gonna try this Goodles, if I can reach it. I've never tried this flavor. Oh my gosh, can I reach it? Yes. I've never tried thrilled cheese, so I'm excited for this. Molds in a Target that literally worked out perfectly because I got to finish my groceries from what they couldn't deliver the other day. Now I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A because I really want to try the frosted Dr. Pepper. And I can share it with my boyfriend because we both like Dr. Pepper. So I'm gonna grab that and then meet up with him and go home. Okay, I have the frosted Dr. Pepper. Let's see. It's good. Okay, now we have to get to the train. Headed home. Good night. The music was also loud at this event, but this is the next day at a fufusoul event in Long Island City. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Guys, the pig is so cute. They smell so good. Oh my gosh. This one is so funny. That one smells good. One's so cute. The elephants are so cute. Oh my gosh, wait, I need
in different body position.
That is so funny. It's
So
so
it's a fufu
cute.
dinosaur. So there's only 3 kinds of
This event was so cute. It was fufusoul's first time in New York City, I think, because I think they've done a pop-up in LA before. But I just had some special cocktail that they had and then chatted with some girls and took my photo and then headed out because I had another event to go to.
New York City was popping as Harlem's own.
Just got out of my fufusoul event and now I'm headed to Flushing for my second event. I'm like out of breath, not gonna lie. I rushed to the train because I need to be at my other event soon. So I'm waiting for the 7 and then I'm gonna be on it for like 45 minutes. It's okay, I can catch my breath on the train. I made it to Flushing. I'm so excited to go to Tokimo again. I've passed by so many bakeries I want to go in, but I can't carry any more bags because I need to film. So maybe we'll go there after. I also want to go to Haiti. Is there their new Lunar New Year drink out? Yeah, I need that. So we're almost inside. Thank God, because it's cold. All decorated for Lunar New Year. It's so cute. Oh, not the pink horse butt. We're gonna head over to the store now. It's downstairs, and then we're gonna go to Haiti, and then hopefully some of those bakeries for some goodies. But let's go, queens! I'm so excited. Look at the little Lunar New Year Labubu. It's so cute. Guys, I'm so sad. I don't think they have Miffy clips anymore. They only have Hello Kitty, but these are cute too, so I might get a set of these. I'm trying to decide between these three. They're all so cute. This packaging is always my favorite. Like, how cute is this? Oh my god. Like, this lip jelly. Oh my gosh, it looks like a cake. I think I want to try one of these gummy sheet masks. That sounds very intriguing. I'm going to get the skin barrier moisturizing one because I need some moisture in my life. My skin is so dry. I'm still deciding which one I want, but I kind of want to try these Biotans toner pads, but they have a blue one and a pink one. The pink one's collagen, so I might get that one, but I'm not sure yet. Then there's just like so many brands in general to choose from. I'm trying to decide that too. I want to pick this up. I think I want the 100. I heard a lot of good things about this, so I think I'm gonna get this one. Packaging is so cute. I love the little panda. I think I'm gonna get that. I was gonna get the pad version of these, but I think I'm just gonna get the serum and get a different type of toner pad and get these pads instead. I've heard a lot of good things about these ones. I just finished filming my TikTok and I got all my products. I finally decided on some stuff, so I'm gonna show you everything that I'm getting. Also, hopefully you can hear me. I put my mic on because the music is so loud. Got these Medicube Zero Pore pads, and I've heard a lot of good things about these, so I wanted to make sure I got those this time. Serum from Anua. I've also heard a lot of good things about this, so I wanted to get that. Cutest clips. They didn't have any Miffy ones this time, but they had these really cute Hello Kitty ones. Like, how precious. I also got this eye cream because I need to start using eye cream, and I've also heard good things about this. So I kind of like did my research before I got here because I want to make sure I get the right products for my skin type. Then I got this Riedel Shot 100 from VT, and again, TikTok told me that this was really good, so I really wanted to get that. Then I got this. It's an active pink snail brightening mask, which it was pink, so I was like, period. But I thought that could be nice for a face mask night. And then I got this gummy sheet mask. It's moisturizing, skin barrier, ceramide situation. But the gummy kind of intrigued me, so I wanted to get that. But yeah, that's my little haul from Tokimo. I'm so excited to use everything and actually see if the recommendations were good, because all this is based off of my TikTok research, and hopefully my TikTok research was good. So we'll see, but I'll keep you guys updated as I'm using them. Let's go and get some Haiti and some food because I need to drink or eat. Like, I'm famished. Guys, these are so cute. I want one. Oh my god. Of course, I went to the wrong Haiti, so I need to go to the one down the street, which is where I ordered my drink to. Luckily, they're pretty close. We made it to the right one. No, thank you. Thanks. I turned my mic on again because it's so loud in here too, but I got the new Lunar New Year drink from Haiti. There she is. I'm gonna go try it on TikTok, but I'll let you know how it is. This drink, I thought that Pop Mart tiramisu collab was good. This is like that times 100. I'm gonna finish drinking this, and then I'm gonna head to that bakery that I walked by earlier. Hopefully there's no long line because the line was so long before, and hopefully it's just like still open. Like, I don't mind waiting if it's still open. I just want some bakery, and then I need to go home because it's so late. So I'll see you when I'm hopefully at the bakery. Stop at 99 Ridge because the bakery I want to go to is open 24 hours. So that's a sleigh. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store first. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything, but you know, your girl likes to walk around and browse, so. Oh my god, these grapes are huge. Oh, this place is tea. It's brand new. Well, not brand new. It opened a few months ago. Guys, I think I'm in heaven. Like, not the new Asian grocery store for me. It's so clean and it's laid out so nicely. I can't spend money though like this. Oh my god, I'm seeing too many things that I want. Oh, not the ice cream section. Oh my god, look at how cute these are. These are so good. I've had the strawberry ones. I haven't had the chocolate, but they're so good. Okay, I'm gonna go peruse, but if I see anything exciting, I'll make sure I show you guys. It's been like 1 second since I turned the camera off, but look at how cute these all are. Oh, I'm obsessed. Everyone here has a bag from that bakery I want to go to, so I know it's legit and I know it's good because everyone has bags, so I trust them. Hoping they'd have banana milk, but I'm not seeing it. I wanted to make a banana milk matcha. Maybe we'll find it. Oh my god, not it being tiramisu flavored. Ugh, I don't need it. I have so many of these. These are so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is beer smoked cheese. I don't know about that. If I wasn't going to the bakery, I would get these because I've been wanting to try them, but I'm gonna get bakery stuff, so I don't need bakery chips. You guys, I wanted pork buns and they have so many different ones. Oh my gosh, and they're not even expensive. They're like $3.49. I'm just gonna stick with the basic ones. These buns are so cute. They have little bunny ones. These are always so tempting to get, but like I said, I'm going to the bakery, so I'm not gonna get any of that type of stuff here. Yay, there's no line. I'm so excited. Never mind, there's an entrance for the train, so I'm just gonna go home. Oh well, next time. Hey guys, I just got done making my Froth House matcha. They sent me over a tin of their matcha. Their packaging is so cute. Look at how green. Like, this is actually crazy. Hey, can you see that? Let's give a taste test. You guys get the first taste test reaction, whatever you want to call it. Then I have to finish filming my TikTok. Wow. This is so good. I feel like I've been having such good luck with matcha I've been sent lately. Like, they're all really yummy. Definitely go check them out. I think they're a newer matcha brand, so definitely go support them if you want your matcha to be the perfect shade of green. So good. I feel like this one has more vegetal notes than nutty, so if you like that, this will definitely be your cup of tea, girl. Okay, gotta go finish my TikTok.